So if you're watching this video, I will give you exact number one reason why lots of people, especially affiliate marketers, are struggling nowadays to get sales, and they are complaining and thinking, why am I not getting any sales? I'm using the ad copy, I'm having the targeting options, and yet I'm still not getting any sales. What is the main reason? So in this video, I will tell you exactly what is the main reason. Now you see over here on my screen, I created a simple but very important mind map. Now you see over here we have targeting options, right? So if you don't know yet, we have different audiences. Now, for example, if you're running Facebook ads, so for this case, let's take for an example Facebook ads. You know that you have many different audiences over there. And as you know, we are targeting people by interests on Facebook. So you have 5 different main audiences, and those are totally unaware audiences, problem aware, solution aware, niche aware, and as you can see over here, offer aware audiences. Now, why people are struggling to get sales? The number one reason is because they are promoting the offer to the wrong audience. So you would say, okay, that's nothing special, but if you look closely, it is. Look at here. Let's say that you have a dating and a relationship offer that it's especially for people who are in the relationship niche, right? So you would be promoting the offer to totally unaware audiences, for example, men or women who are not even in a relationship and they don't even need any relationship advice or any help whatsoever. So you can see over here, you have problem aware audiences. Now this is a little bit better than totally unaware, right? This is totally cold audience. Totally unaware means that they don't know about you, they don't know about the problem, they don't even know that they have a problem at all, right? So they're not looking for the offer, the product that you have to offer, and in the first place, they're not even looking for the solution. Because why? They don't know they have a problem, right? So you will be wasting a lot of time and also money running Facebook ads to the audience that is totally opposite from what your offer is all about, right? So for example, let's say that you have a problem with our audiences. They know they have a relationship problem in a marriage, or let's say boyfriend and girlfriend in a relationship, right? They know they have a problem. So when they see your ad, they can connect with it because they know, okay, I have a problem. That is something that I want to solve. Now you have another audiences over here, another targeting option, which is solution aware audiences. Now those are people who already know they need a solution. So for example, in the weight loss niche, they know they are overweight. They know they have a heart problem. They know that maybe their boyfriend is going to cheat on them if they don't change the way they look, or they are ashamed of how they look in front of their friends, peers, family, right? So they know they have a problem. They know they have that pain that they need to solve. So this is way more powerful if you look at it, if you look at on here, solution aware, right? And then you have niche aware, the people who are in the niche that you are promoting in, for example, weight loss or fitness and health. And now we have here offer aware audiences. And this is the most really, let's say, easy to say yes offers. Because why? Because they're already looking for the offer. For example, on iPhone, people are already looking for the new iPhone that is coming out. So this is the easiest sell. This is the low-hanging fruit because they're already looking for the offer that you have to offer. This you can see during launches. That's why many affiliates make a lot of money during launches. Why? Because the people are already looking for the keyword. They're already looking for the offer that owners are promoting. So they buy through an affiliate link. Right, this is why you have to be aware of these different targeting options, right? I hope it makes sense, and this can help you to make a lot more sales as an affiliate marketer if you know your targeting options, and of course if you know who is your target market, so you have the right message to market match at the end of the day, right? This is important because there is huge emotional gap, right? And if you can fill that gap in between the point A and point B, you can see over here, right? If you can fill that gap and the person can connect with your offer and they can know that you are the solution, your offer is the solution to the problems, then they are going to buy from you most likely, right? Then if you are, let's say, in this case, I will give you one simple example. If you are offering a delicious steak to the vegan, right? You can have the best steak in the world. You can give a huge discount, 50 or 80% discount and extra bonuses or extra lunch, right? But If they are vegan, they are the wrong audience, they won't buy from you, right? So you're wasting money again and again, you're wasting your time. So this is why it's very important that you understand what are the targeting options and how to connect your audiences with your offer, right? So thank you for watching this video and I hope it makes sense.